This video will walk you through the full installation process for mechanical bike shifters. Mount your shifter to the handlebar and adjust to a comfortable operating angle. Tighten the fixing bolt clockwise with a 5 mm hex key. Cut the cable housing to the correct length to match your frame's cable routing. Important. Ensure the housing is not cut too short, to avoid restricting full handlebar rotation. Fit ferrules to both ends of the housing. Then thread the shift cable through the housing and frame. Left shifter controls the front derailleur. The right shifter operates the rear derailleur. Thank you for watching.